Lime and coconut slice. To start, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease a 19 cm by 29 cm slice pan. Line the base and 2 long sides with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang. For the lemon and lime curd, add butter, sugar, lightly beaten egg, lime rind, lemon juice, lime juice, and cornflour to a small saucepan. Turn the heat onto medium-low and stir the butter mixture constantly for 5 minutes or until it boils and thickens. Turn off the heat and pour the curd into a heat-proof bowl, then leave it to cool and thicken. Meanwhile, add more butter and sugar to another bowl and use an electric mixer to beat until the butter mixture becomes pale and creamy. Add an egg and beat until combined. Then stir in flour and coconut. Spread over the base of the slice pan. Pop in the oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the base is light golden. Then spread the lemon and lime curd evenly over the top. Now make the coconut topping. Add desiccated coconut and shredded coconut to a bowl with more sugar and stir them together. Add a lightly whisked egg and mix with a fork. Sprinkle this mixture over the curd and use the back of the fork to press down gently. Pop back in the oven for 20 minutes or until the coconut topping is lightly golden and set. Leave in the pan to cool. Cut into pieces and dust with icing sugar to serve. With its rich coconut and zesty lemon and lime flavours, this classic slice is perfect for sharing.